Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare Chirey Bhaja tel Chara or oil-less flattened rice fry. We have it as a snack or breakfast. It goes very well with tea and coffee. It is crispy, healthy and yummy. If you like my recipe, then please click the like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment. The ingredients we need are diced ginger or other choto kore kata, 1/8 cup, cut into small cubes, skin is peeled off. Sliced onion or piyaj lomba kore kata, 2/3 cup, cut into long slices. Chopped chili, 4, cut into very small pieces. Flattened rice or chirey, thick or thin, 2 cups. Salt to taste or noon shad anushar. Peanuts or chine badam, 1/3 cup, skinless. Coconut slices as per taste, optional. To make chirey bhaja tel chara, first dry roast the peanuts. Add peanuts about 1/3 cup in a pan. Dry roast till brownish in low to medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Stir from time to time. To fry the flattened rice, add the flattened rice about 2 cups, sliced onion about 2/3 cup, chopped ginger about 1/8 cup, chopped green chilies 4, salt about half teaspoon and coconut slices as per taste. Stir frequently in medium to high heat till the flattened rice becomes crispy and brownish. Break few flattened rice with fingers to check its crunchiness. Taste it, add whatever is required. In my case, the flattened rice is tasty, but I need to fry for another 5 minutes. Serve hot with chanachur or Bombay mix or rock salt or chaat masala. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.